Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, I pray you will happy and enjoy your life and keep smiling always. Amen. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing collection of crochet baby cap designs, different color, different designs, different ideas, color combinations also in front of you. Same color also. So dear friends, you can see this video and amazing designs ideas for beautiful and creative ladies who loves to wear such type of collection. I hope you like this collection. You know, crochet is always beautiful, trendy, stylish also, so I suggest you to watch this video till the end for more designs, more ideas about this collection. Dear friends, if you want to buy this amazing collection, you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers as you can order and get amazing crochet material like this crochet baby cap designs and others like crochet baby frog designs, crochet baby romper designs, shoes designs, crochet baby scarves, banjo designs, cap shawl, also circular jackets. So dear friends, also women cap designs, men cap designs, long gloves, short gloves, fingerless gloves, crochet long dresses, short dresses, full sleeve, half sleeve, sleeveless dresses, off shoulder, one shoulder dresses, also bodycon skirts and many more. Crochet jewelry like crochet necklace designs, earring designs, bracelets, finger rings, and anklet designs, and baby feet jewelry like baby anklet designs also. So, dear friends, and many more things. You can contact me anytime. Very beautiful crochet material have been prepared for you. So, dear friends, please try this collection, enjoy this video, share this video with your close friends and relatives, then they also enjoy this video like you. Now goodbye till the next video. See you soon with new collection. Remember me in your prayers. Then goodbye.